Pump Seal New Zealand Limited is a New Zealand owned and operated company. We manufacture, sell and service a diverse range of mechanical seal products and systems specifically designed to meet and fulfill customers' requirements. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure facilities with machinery helps us in meeting the complete product needs of our clients successfully. The expertise and in-depth knowledge of our team assists us in carrying out designing and manufacturing requirements. We have a combined experience of 50 years in this industry. Our stocks are available for same-day delivery for all common mechanical seals. We cater to the needs of industries across New Zealand. The industries and organisations that utilise our services include meat industry, dairies, winery, councils, irrigation, wastewater, food and beverages. Pump Seal specialise in providing customised solutions for milk pump mechanical seals. We provide custom-built seals for various milk pumps throughout New Zealand. Our expertise and reputation in New Zealand has enabled us to supply our products to a number of councils and wastewater treatment plants. Pump Seal has widened its base beyond New Zealand. We supply to a number of clients in the Pacific Islands. Let us explore some of our capabilities in manufacturing. Our manufacturing processes can be grouped into three: machining, grinding, lapping. We deal with different types of raw materials, including 316L stainless steel, sintered silicon carbide, tungsten carbide, carbon, ceramic. Pump Seal's expertise in mechanical seal reconditioning is widely acknowledged. Let's explore our seal reconditioning process. We follow quality-driven, industry-benchmarked standards and processes to ensure that our customers get the best outcome. The seal flatness is tested using monochromatic light. We use Seal Spring Load Tester to check the closing force of the seal faces. Visit our website to find out more about us. Call us or email us and we'll let you know how we can help. Experience our expertise.